Yeah, so here we are at Mike Crane's at the shop, and we just got done popping bearings out of the case halves, and you can see here one side has been vapor blasted and the other one has not. I wonder which one it is. All right, let's go blast this other case half. And this is my first time using one of these vapor blasters. It's pretty cool. Pretty neato. Like we're in the lab. Put on our gloves and we can grab it here. I think that camera angle is okay. You're not going to see it too great, but you get an idea anyway. See, look at how clean that's coming already. Beautiful.
Looks beautiful. Crunchy. Blast it out with air. Okay.
This is called on-the-fly engineering.
Can you hold the case?
Yes, I sure can.
Yeah, let's see if this is gonna work or not. But
Yeah, it's coming. Look at that. Look at that little devil. We had no idea how we were gonna get that little thing out of there, but with a little
she's crunchy.
they don't call you engineer for nothing.
It's crunchy.
She's crunchy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's from the vapor blaster, but we have the new one, so.
Yep.
All right.
We have all of our bottom end parts laid out here. Most of them anyway. Transmission and the drum and shift forks are over here. We got the transmission looks okay, so we're just going to put it back the way we took it out, hopefully. Yeah, she's going now.
Beautiful.
There, it bottomed out there. Okay, Butamus. Yep. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta love that solid sound.
Yeah.
That solid sound.
Yep, it's in.
It's seated, yeah.
Yep, good.
Okay.
Nice. And I'll do the same thing, a little light bit of grease.
I'm gonna just lightly heat it, but only up here.
Okay. Oops.
There's that side over there, little.
Let me get a...
Beauty. That's something. That's flush. Gorgeous. Beauty. Seated perfectly.
Is it?
Make sure we're take a look at the other side here, and yeah, it's right up.
Yeah, I don't want to go
against
too hard on it.
No, it's up against it all the way.
Yeah,
around,
yeah.
so
Okay, good.
we're good there.
There it goes. Check and see.
All the way around. Ready?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
That's the sound we're looking for.
No. There's that little,
What you looking for?
this guy right here. Just to kind of hold that over
Oh,
in kind of a place. There it goes. There it goes, right there.
let's see what you got here.
It's looking good. Looks pretty good.
Beauty. The IDs on those look like they were the same, huh?
Yeah.
And that one was in the main variant seal kit, right?
Yes, it was. Whoops. Whoop. No.
Can you get that side down?
Yeah. There it goes.
Beautiful.
Okay.